Chairman of the Federal Inland Revenue Service FIRS, Zaka Dediji, has allayed fears of Nigerians on possible introduction of new taxes through proposed tax reform laws. Dediji allayed the fears of Nigerians during an interactive session with members of the Senate Committee on Finance in Abuja on Tuesday. He assured Nigerians that the tax reform laws would not entail introduction of new taxes or increase of already existing ones.
The tax reform is not and will not increase or introduce any taxes. If anything, because when we talk about harmonization, it actually reduced the number of taxes that will be paid, reduced the compliance cost by businesses, and also increased the simplicity and efficiency of tax administration in Nigeria. So the intention of Mr. President is to harmonize all the tax laws that we have and rates that we have, so that at the end of the day, Nigeria will be more competitive, and then we will reduce the burden of tax, whether on the citizen or on the corporation.
In his remarks, the chairman of the committee, Senator Sonny Musa, who stated that the purpose of the interactive session was to be updated by the FIRS boss on what the tax reform bills are aiming at, commended the FIRS boss for meeting up with revenue targets set in the fiscal year and urged him to do more.
With this, I believe that Nigeria is now getting it right in the area of taxation, and I believe that when we strengthen it, we'll be able to make more revenue, and in return, we'll be able to have more developments, especially in our infrastructure, which we are in deficit at this moment. I must also commend FIRS. First, when the chairman was given the chance to speak, he said they were able to meet up the target we have given. As a committee, when we set a target, it's not just enough. If you are going to add, do more, we expect, don't just stop at the target we give you. We expect that you exceed the target we have given to you.
Many members of the committee also commended the FIRS boss on increased revenue generation by the agency, particularly non-royal revenue,